Hey everybody, this is Tyler Nicely with Scalable Data Infrastructures for 2012 March term. And I'm going over our assignment today, the last assignment for the month, which was building libraries and also covering regular expressions. We had three components to this assignment. We had the flowcharts, we had the Git commits, and then of course and the repositories, and then we also had the code. I tried something a little bit different with my flowcharts this time around. What I decided to do was treat it a little bit more modularly, similar to our code. So I've got a single page up front, the top page, where I break out my idea, how I'd like to flow the code, and then I break out each of my sub-processes on their own page. And this kept things nice and clean and easy to manipulate. The code itself, again, this assignment was a little bit easier than last week's assignment. Or actually a good bit easier. It was just building a library of functions. As far as problems that I encountered, probably the regular expressions. They're a little bit tricky at first, but I definitely got a handle on them. I think this activity fits in with or builds on what has already been taught because it really builds on this idea that we have of doing code correctly, following a best practice and making sure that this is tidy. If you've looked around online, if you've done any Google searches yet, you will see that there are all kinds of ways of getting the results that you want, but I think one of the main purposes of this class, besides teaching you how to code, is teaching you how to do it right. I think that these lessons will help me in future activities because we code, we can code anything. If it's a logical problem, if it's a problem that requires critical thinking, then you can probably code it. Something that I really enjoyed about this course, actually, or not this course, but moving on from this course, I think something that I'll take away from this is something that was open for discussion in the student discussion page, and it's this Project Euler. I would highly recommend it for anybody who's interested. It's basically a number of problems that you can go through, and it's a great practice tool for learning or relearning or learning new languages and just trying to use the problems to learn the language. Did learning to write my code teach me anything about something other than code? Yeah, it did, It taught me to compartmentalize my critical thinking, to think in more deliberate steps. Another question that was asked is, did we have any moments where we were looking at something not school-related and thought, I wonder how that's coded? I would say definitely. I am pretty much dreaming in code now. It's about all I think about. But seriously, yes. I mean, I'll do anything from get up in the morning to make a sandwich, and I'll wonder if the object plastic sandwich bag belongs in the object sandwich, which of course it does not. But anyways, this is Tyler Nicely, and I'm really excited to be wrapping up this class, but I hope everyone did really, really well, and I hope everyone's looking forward to spring break next week, and I hope everyone the best of luck. Again, this is Tyler Nicely for Scalable Data Infrastructures for the March term for 2012. Thanks.